Hello, my friends. My name is Sophia. Today, I will tell you about planning a weekend trip. Do you ever feel tired and need a break? I feel that way too. Today, we will learn how to plan a relaxing trip together. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. First, I take a quiet moment to think about a special place to go. I really feel that I need a break from my busy life. I want to find somewhere very relaxing where I can rest my mind. I do not want to visit a busy city with many people and loud noises. Instead, I want to be close to nature. Nature is quiet, and it is always so beautiful to see. I am thinking about a small mountain town or perhaps a lovely lakeside place. To me, a lake is very peaceful and calm. The water is clear and the air feels so fresh when I breathe it in. I feel very happy and content when I see tall green trees and blue water. Choosing a place is the first step to feeling better. I want to sit by the water and just listen to the sound of the wind. It is important to find a place that makes your heart feel light and free. Simple things like a quiet view can make me very happy. Then, I must choose the best time for my little journey. I think that next weekend is much better for me. I need a little bit of time to plan everything correctly. I want to stay for 2 nights so I do not feel rushed. My plan is to leave on Friday evening and come back home on Sunday night. This gives me a full Saturday to enjoy the fresh air and relax. Next, I need to talk about my budget. A budget is just a word for how much money I want to spend on this trip. I want to keep my spending reasonable. This means I do not want to spend too much money or feel worried. I want to feel relaxed during my holiday, not stressed about my wallet. Being organized with my money helps me feel safe and happy. When I know how much I will spend, I can enjoy the trip more. Planning the time and the money is a very smart thing to do. Stop for a moment. Let us look at a very special word that we use for travel: accommodation. Look at this word carefully. Accommodation. It simply means a place where you stay, like a hotel or a small apartment. For this trip, I prefer to stay in an apartment because it feels very cozy. Cozy is a wonderful word that means a place is warm, comfortable, and friendly. In a small apartment, I can cook my own breakfast in the morning. This helps me save some money, and it also feels just like home. Using the 1-2-1 rule helps us remember this. 1 sentence: I book my accommodation. 2 words: cozy room. 1 more sentence: I feel very safe here. Is that not simple and easy to understand? Learning new words should always feel like a gentle conversation between friends. When we understand the words we use, we feel much more confident when we speak. After that, I think about my transportation. I decide that I will drive my own car to the lake. Driving a car gives me a lot of freedom. I can stop my car whenever I want to see beautiful flowers or look at the big sky. During my trip, I want to do a mix of exploring new things and resting my body. I want to take a short hike in the green forest to see the trees. I also want to visit a nice, quiet cafe and perhaps take a slow boat ride on the clear lake. I want to enjoy every single moment of my time there. I do not want to check my phone or look at any work messages. I really need a real reset for my mind and my soul. I want to be present and see the world with my own eyes. This trip is for me to find peace and to feel refreshed again. Finally, I make a packing checklist so I am prepared. A checklist is very helpful because it makes sure I do not forget important things. I pack my most comfortable clothes and my best walking shoes. I do not want to have any blisters on my feet while I am walking. I also remember to bring my sunscreen and a sun hat. The sun near the water can be very strong, so I must protect my skin. I also share my travel plan with my family members. This makes me feel very safe and very organized. When I have a good plan, it reduces my stress and makes me feel calm. I like to know that everything is ready before I leave my house. Planning is not just about the trip, it is about taking care of myself. Now that my bag is packed and my list is finished, I feel ready to go. Now, it is time for us to practice our English together. Speaking out loud is the very best way for you to learn and grow. We will use the shadowing method today. I will say a sentence very slowly, and then I want you to repeat it after me. Are you ready to try? Let us begin our practice now. First sentence, I really need a break. Now, please repeat it. Second sentence, a lakeside place sounds amazing. It is your turn to say it. Third sentence, I want to enjoy the moment. Please, repeat the words. Fourth sentence, planning reduces stress. Say it one more time. You are doing an amazing job today. Every time you speak out loud, you are building your confidence. Keep practicing these sentences, and you will become a great speaker. That is how I plan my wonderful weekend trip to the lake. Just talking about it makes my whole week feel much better. It is so important to have something happy to look forward to. I have a simple life, and these small trips bring me so much joy. Now, I have a question for you because I want to hear your story. Do you prefer to go to the high mountains or to the quiet lake for a holiday? Please tell me your answer in the comments below. I love to read what you write, and it makes me very happy to connect with you. Thank you so much for watching my video and learning with me. Do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I am sitting in my warm chair now, feeling very grateful for you. Have a beautiful day and a very peaceful night. Goodbye for now.